Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel once again. In my last video, I had explained you how to use list style to achieve this kind of UI. But in this video, I am going to show you demo how to upload images in Flutter. Not only images but also the files, how you can upload like videos, audios and PDF. But those examples will be coming in the next videos. This video is specifically dedicated to only uploading images. So let's start the coding. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and also do not forget to press the bell icon near to the subscribe button so that you can get the notifications as soon as I upload my new videos. So let's start our coding. As you can see, this is the app that I have already ran in my emulator. You can see on the right hand. So let me just walk you through the full code. As you can see, this is the app bar. We have upload demo image, and I have taken a single cell scroll view and one column widget. Inside the column widget, I have this container. In this container, what I have done is, inside this child, I'm just checking whether the selected file name is empty or not. If it is empty, then I'm showing some default image URL, which is from any network, from any. You can just go and copy any image address from your Google Chrome and you can paste it there. So what I have selected here is, I went to Pixabay and I copied one image address and I have kept it here. Similarly, you can do for your example or for your apps. In this second and the second condition, I have kept a image.file. What it will do is, it will take the file path of your current device, and it will display you once the file is selected. So we'll do that. We'll see how we can do that one. And on the bottom, I have kept one button called upload food item image. Sorry, it's not the food item. Upload image, select image. Let me correct it. Select image, or will be better to keep it as choose image. Choose image. Let me save it. Now it is changed. On clicking of this choose image, I will have to show a dialog box like whether you want to select the image from the gallery or you directly want to take a picture from your camera. For that also I have already coded. Let me just uncomment this. If I go here, I have taken a container. Inside the container, I have a list of widgets. Like we can see one list style is there for gallery, for selecting the images from your gallery, and another is from camera section. Okay, so once we select or once we do click on gallery or camera, it should redirect us to the respective folder or camera. It should open the camera if you are going with the camera option. So let me save it and run it. Choose image. Now you can see there is a gallery and camera, but the overlay is totally gray. For that, what we can do is, as it is a model button sheet, I need to make it remove the color transparent and rerun the app. Now let me click. Now at the bottom you can see there are two options. One is for gallery and another is for camera. If I click on the camera, what it is going to happen? See, it worked nothing, or it didn't show anything to us. For that, we will implement how to take picture from camera and how to select the image from gallery. In order to achieve your image uploading or file uploading, we need two plugins from our pop.dev sites. One is our image. Let me just go here and pop.dev. We need one is image picker. You can go to this image picker plugin and just install it. If you want to read, you can go and read this whole documentation and you can implement yourself. But if you want to save your time, then you can just follow me along so that you can implement without wasting much time. So go and copy this one, and similarly I have already added this plugin into my popspec.yml file. Just I am showing you so that you can remember you can find it easily. And another is Firebase storage, because we'll store our image in Firebase storage and we'll get that URL of the storage location and we'll show the image whenever we want to show in our applications. For that purpose we need to access the Firebase storage, and that accessibility will be given by this plugin. And go here and copy and paste this. Let me show you. I have already added those plugins into my popspec.yml file. You can see here. Now the real code begins. So let me go to my app, and this choose image functionality is there. This is the models button which opens up when I click that one, and after selecting gallery or after selecting camera we should get that file. To get that file, what we can do is we'll create a method which will help us to pick the file from gallery or from anywhere. Let me just get a method. I'll accept one boolean value that will be true or false. Image from, it means from which resource we want to get the image, either it's from our camera or it's from gallery. Let's and I you have to have a file, and I need to call await and image picker, this one, and it will have one method pick multiple image, pick video, and there will be so much option. Here there is a pick image option, right? So it is asking me from which image you want to get. So let me select the image, or let me add a ternary condition to here to dynamically pass the resource area, I mean the image from area. So I'll just image from, if it is true, image from, if it is gallery is true, then I'll go image source gallery. If it is false, then I'll go and image source camera. It's pretty simple, and you'll get the image here. What I have done is I'm just checking the ternary condition. If the image from is boolean, it means it has to be called from the gallery option and it will be true, so it will give us the image from the gallery. And if it is false, it will open up the camera so that we can take picture and we can select the file, or it will be automatically saved in the file. So let me just try to print it whether the file has any value or not. So file dot name. Okay, now we are ready with the file. Let me go to this camera, and our here inside the camera I'm passing true, and inside this inside the gallery I'm passing true, and inside this camera will pass the value as false. And the line below, the pop method will close the bottom model sheet which are open. Like you can see, this is open. Once I select this option, it should close automatically. Now let me save and rerun the application. Okay, so I clicked the choose image button and I'm going with the gallery option. So it redirected me to the gallery option of our phone. Now in our gallery I do not have any other images except the camera images here, which I think it had been clicked in previous example. So let me select it. Now I selected that. So once I selected, what happened? Here you can see the image name. The image name is .jpg. So after selecting, what it happened is this is the image name that has been printed, but the image was not populated in this. For that, what we need to do, we have done select file image is empty or not. It is empty, that's why it's not going to here. So we have to go and set the value there. What I can do, if file is not null, I'll have to set the selected file name, and after that, once the value is saved or once the value is assigned to the selected file name, it will go to the else case of our container. So if it is empty, so every time we are not saving any value in selected file name, it's empty. So it's showing from our image URL, from the network image. Now let me save it. Let me rerun the app. I'm going to select the image once again. Now you can see we have the image which we just selected through our gallery. If I go and select the camera option, you can see the camera is opened. You can click on got it, click a picture, and you can see there is a cat sitting on the roof or somewhere. So now the image is selected from the camera. I'll be going with the gallery option one, because most of the times you will be selecting the gallery one. So now the image is selected here. What to do next? Now we have got the image either from gallery or camera. We need to save it from in our Firebase storage, and we need to show it to somewhere else, or after clicking on save or upload or something like buttons, so that it can go and store in our Firebase storage. For that, what we'll do, we'll create another button similar to this. Let me copy and paste. Let me save it. Now you can see there is a upload option, and let me remove this one. Okay, instead of this one, what I'll do is I'll not have this icon here. I'll just make it as a text button instead of this, and this label will be of a child. Now save it. You can see upload. So once we click upload, it should store our file, and it should get the URL where the file is being stored. For that, we'll create another method below our select file. I'll name the method as upload file or upload images or anything. So as of now, I'm giving it as upload file. Now the method is ready, upload file. Inside the method, we'll have to create two instances. One is for Firebase storage reference, one is for the upload task. Upload task will wait until unless the file is completely uploaded to our Firebase storage. To do that, we'll have to import our Firebase storage file. Let me just go and import Firebase storage, this one, and make as an alias Firebase storage. Why I have made this alias is to get the upload task file, upload task class reference. Let me go here, and it's a very good practice to wrap your all the codes wherever you can see there might be any exception, or it might throw you any kind of error. You can just wrap your code inside this try catch block. So I just copied this Firebase storage, and you can see there is a upload task class inside this plugin Firebase storage. This will help us to know whether the task is completed or not, the uploading task is completed or not. Similarly, let's go and get the Firebase reference, Firebase storage dot instance dot ref, and here what I can do is I'll go and create a, you can say, a child. So this is the child where our file, or this will be a folder where our file will be stored. And I can also get another child, I can also create another child to this product slash some file name, like we have a folder, and inside our folder our file will be stored with our file name. For that, what we can do is we have to give this one and append or concat our file name like this. It means it will create a product folder. Inside this product folder it will have images with our file name, like some images I selected .jpeg or png or jpg, something like that. Now get the firebase reference, firebase storage dot reference. Okay, just let me copy paste this one and hit dot and look for the class reference, and here's the reference, just a property variable. Now format the code once, and now we got the reference of the storage bucket, which will be with the name. Bucket will be with this product folder. And what we need to do, we'll have to create a metadata, or we can directly go and put our file. Here there are four options. One is for blob, one is for put data. This data is of our like byte codes. If you are not able to, this method will be useful if you are uploading your file in the web version, web application created or developed by our Flutter. So in this case we will go with the put file option. So file, this is the file, and it will accept the file dot path. And you can see there is a error. It says the argument type string cannot be assigned to the parameter type file. So we'll have to convert this into file and this one. Now our uploading option is done. Now it will be uploading. Now after calling this put file method, we will have to get the URL from where the file is stored. To get that URL, we have to wait until unless the file is completely uploaded. To do that, we can call the method of upload task. There is a method called, let me just show you, upload. If you go to the last, when completed, this method will wait until unless the file is completely uploaded to our product bucket with this file name, the selected file name. This we have to add the async into the method signature. And now to get the uploaded file URL, what we can do is we can call a method get download URL. This URL will be of the file which was uploaded to our product bucket of our Firebase storage. Now if I store this URL in a variable like image URL, okay, it says this will be a future, so I'm just awaiting this method call, and I'll print the URL, image URL, uploaded image URL. Let me just type this one and print it. Now I'm saving it. Let me rerun the app once again. Oh, my app is terminated. Let me restart or reinstall this app. Before that, let me take you to my Firebase storage. Firebase. If you go inside this build option, you can see there is a storage. Now you can see there is no folder or nothing created. Now let's go to our app and see what has happened. Now let's go and select an image and try to upload it. So let me select the image from the gallery, scroll down a little bit. Okay, I'm going with this image. Now the image is selected, but the second step is to click the upload button so that it should get uploaded to our file. Okay, let me just Now let's try to upload the image. Let me click the choose image and the gallery option, click on any image. Now the image is selected. The second step is to click on the upload button so that the image should get uploaded to our bucket. Let me hit the upload button. Oh, there are so many errors appeared. Let's scroll to the top. It says no method. Sorry, the method when complete was called on null when complete. Okay, what we had missed is that we have to get or we have to create the object. This put file will give you a upload task of return type, so we have to store that here and call it now. Let's save it. Let me retry this. Select from the gallery and let me clear the console and click on upload. Again we got errors. It says the server has terminated the upload session and user doesn't have the permission to access this object. Okay, it means that there is some rules on our Firebase storage or collections. We have to allow that. That's why it is showing the permission error. Let me go to the Firebase storage here. Here actually the problem is that it says read or write if false. These rules can be implemented according to your business logics or business rules. As of now, I'm going to change to true so that we can access this folder location or the storage locations to upload our files. So let me go to VS Code and clear the console and let me reheat the upload button. Now it should upload. It says no app check for token for request. It means we have allowed that for publicly accessible. Now you can see upload image URL here and the upload image URL here, and this is the image link. If I copy this and paste on the browser, we will go to that image. You can see this is the image, and here if I go back to these files or storage, we have a product folder which we created as a child, and inside this product folder we have one image. The image name is this one, right? You can see this is the jpg 1573 and yeah 1573. So this is how the file uploading are being done in Flutter and in specifically for our Flutter apps, either it's in Android or iOS. For Flutter web versions, there are some different methods and different file pickers are there, which I'll be creating a separate video and I'll be sharing with you all. Till then, keep watching my videos and please do share these videos with your friends and colleagues if you like the content and if it is helping you in any manner. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Happy coding!